This is my $1,000 SC Project exhaust, and it's a little bit banged up from the crash, but in today's video we are gonna restore it and make it better than new. Like with any exhaust, we must drill the rivets. Just take a smaller drill bit than the size of the rivet head and drill right in the center until the rivet head falls off. Did you ever wonder what is inside a $1,000 SC Project exhaust? Me too! So let's fucking find out! Finally, we have our SC Project CRT in the pieces, and like you see, there is nothing strange here. We have our titanium pipes, we have our carbon fiber shroud, and we have the insides of our exhaust here. In the middle you have mesh, on the outside you have this exhaust filling, and I didn't find any traces of gold, silver, kryptonite or vibranium. And like I thought, the most expensive thing on this exhaust is logo itself.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we are back. I have temporarily abandoned this video, and that is why my beard looks a little bit different. Now back to work. I have already polished titanium parts and the results are pretty good, but there is some polishing marks left, so I decided to sandblast them. And as you can see, we have gotten almost a factory finish. Now for the fun part. I want to give the tip a little bit more color, and for that I will use this bottle of map gas with this small torch. Now for this larger piece of titanium, we are bringing the big guns. Man, look at this color. I think it came out amazing. We have the purples, we have the blues, we have the golds. Subtle, but very, very, very nice. Now for the main part. I want to thank Bujevina from Belgrade. His details will be in description box down below, for making this forged carbon sleeve. A lot of time is invested in this part, and I must say it looks amazing. Now we're gonna put this thing together. Of course you will need rivets and a rivet gun for that.
One eternity later.
I have wrestled this son of a bitch until 2 in the morning, but finally I got it all assembled, and I think it looks really, really nice. Now we have to rivet this motherfucker, slap the SC Project sticker on, and I will show you the results. Only thing left to do is to put this original SC Project sticker on. And now feast your eyes with custom forged carbon SC Project CRT exhaust.